Hi everyone, welcome to the Sacred Art classes, and in today's class we will be learning on how to draw a butterfly. So without further delay, let's get started. So I will start by drawing a very light line at the center of the page, just like this. This is a very light line because we have to erase it off later, and then I will draw a small circle which will be the head of the butterfly. It's a very small circle over here. And then I will draw an oval shape, something like an ellipse, a little bit elongated all the way to the bottom, which will be the body of the butterfly. There you go. So if you are going a little bit wrong, that's fine, you can erase it off, you can draw it again. Okay, now we are going to draw the wings. So for drawing the wings, you will start from here and draw a curved line all the way to the top. Then we will curve it and then bring it all the way to the bottom, just like this. And for the bottom wing, we'll curve it a little bit to the bottom like this, and we'll bring it from this side from here. We'll bring it all the way to the bottom and join it with this line. There you go. So when you are drawing this, try to make use of light lines. I'm drawing it dark so that you can see it in the camera clearly. Okay, so now we have to copy the same things that are on the right to the left side. So I'll mark a point here, and I have to mark a point on this side, on the left side, which will be the same distance that is between this point and this line. Okay, so this distance should be the same as this distance. So approximately I'll mark a point over here, and I'll mark a point over here, which will be somewhere over here as well, and this point will come all the way straight and directly under this point. Okay, so I'm marking another point here. Now I will draw a line connecting all these points very lightly. I'm drawing it light because I'm pretty sure it is really difficult for us to draw a symmetric line, symmetric figure on both sides. So I'm drawing it very lightly, bit by bit. And I'll join it somewhere over here. There you go. And now you can erase off the unwanted lines. So I'm erasing off the line in the center first. And I'll erase off it from the body parts and any unwanted lines that we have in the side as well. Okay, there you go. And in the same way, we will draw for the bottom wing on the left side. So we will mark a point here, which will be same as this point over here. So this distance should be equal to this distance. So I'll mark a point somewhere over here, and then I will mark a point here, and I will mark a point somewhere over here. So this point will come all the way to the bottom slowly till here, and then we will bring it to the top, joining with the body. There you go. So now we have a symmetric figure of the butterfly. Again, I will just erase off the unwanted lines. So the next step will be to draw some patterns on the butterfly. So first we will draw some patterns on the body. So I'm drawing some curved lines like this. 1, 2, and 3. And in the same way we will draw some patterns on the wings as well. So I'm just drawing another curved line around this. And the same way I'll draw it around the other wing as well. So if you're drawing bit by bit, you can erase off the unwanted lines and make it look good. Right, there you go. The same way we will draw some patterns on the bottom wing as well. So I'm drawing a circle on the bottom. So I'm drawing a nice little circle on the bottom on both the wings. There you go. Erase off every unwanted lines. Yeah. And now we will draw the antennae on the top. So we'll draw something like this and draw a circle on top of it. And the same way we'll draw it on the other side as well. There you go. So we have some basic patterns ready. Maybe we can add some more patterns. We can draw a curved line to here and here. So 2 curved lines like this side and 2 more curved lines this side. So there you go. So we have the patterns of our butterfly ready, and our next step will be to color it. So now we are going to color it. I'm using a dark black color to color the head. So I'll go with the boundaries first, making sure that my color doesn't go outside. So now I have a light tone ready, but there are white spaces. So I'm just going to make it a little bit more darker. I'm filling in all the white spaces. Now we will give alternate colors of brown and black for the body. So I'm giving a brown color here. I'm starting with the boundaries. Nice and slow. Then I'm going inside. Now I will again go with a black color for the next band. Coloring the boundaries first. You can see some white spaces, so I'll just fill all those white spaces. And I will go with a brown again. when you're drawing this, try to take it really slow, because you have to fill in all the white spaces. So that's what you're trying to learn. Now I will go with the black color again. So I just went with alternate colors for the body, black and brown. So next I'll be going on and coloring the wings. So for coloring the wings, I'm using a yellow color for the outer part. So make sure that your pencils are sharp before you use it. So I'm using a yellow color pencil to color the outside part. I'm coloring the boundaries first. I'll go with the yellow color for the lower wing as well. And for the inner details, I'm going to go with an orange color. If you don't have an orange color, you can use a red color as well. So I'll again go with the boundaries first, making sure that my color doesn't go outside the boundaries. And then I will give a light shade for the inner part. And then I will go with a dark shade to fill in all the white spaces. In the same way, I will fill in an orange color on the bottom part as well. Go with the boundaries again first. And also on the bottom circle, we'll add this orange color. So the coloring on the other side will be the same as the one that we did right now. So the left part color schemes will be the same. You will use the yellow color, the orange color in the center for the inner designs. I'm just going to fast forward that part so you can just see it and follow it yourself. So once we have done this, we are going to give an outline with a black color pencil. So now you can go in and look for any white spaces. So once you have completed this, you can do some cleaning work. If you have any patches or lines that are not needed, you can clear them off using your eraser. And also you can look for further white spaces and fill it all with the correct color. Okay, there you go. So we have our little butterfly ready. So I guess you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next week. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.